Welcome back my YouTube family. I'm your instructor. My name is Rashid. In today's video, I will explain how to analyze your data using a bubble chart in Tableau. This chart is super helpful for understanding your sales data and it's really easy to use. Stay with me till the end and you will learn a cool new way to visualize your sales data in a fun and colorful way. Now let's take a look at the chart on the screen. This is called a bubble chart. In this chart, you can see a lot of circles or bubbles. Each bubble represents a region and territory. The size of bubble shows the amount of sales. Bigger bubble, more sales. The color also tells us something. The darker the bubble, the higher the sales. The lighter the color, the lower the sales. For example, look at the big dark blue bubble in the middle. That is Central Faisalabad and it has the highest sales in this data. On the other hand, the smaller lighter bubbles represent regions and territory with low sales. This chart is a great way to quickly understand which regions and territories are performing well and which one needs more attention. It's simple but powerful. With just a quick look, you can see the performance of different regions and territories.
To start, we need to set up our bubble chart and change the default setting of automatic to circle. This is because our bubble chart is made up of circles. Now let's bring in our first piece of information. We will use the sales measure to determine the size of our bubble. Drag the sales to size. And then from here I will be selecting this entire view. Now you will see a single bubble on the screen representing the total sales 7911. Next we want to break down this bubble into more bubbles, each representing different categories. For this I'm going to use the region. So I'm going to drag this region on this detail. Then I will be dragging this region on the labels. Basically these are my regions and the size of the bubble is representing the sales of each region. As southern region having the sales of 2824, similarly central having 2657. So next I will be adding my territory to the labels, and lastly I will be dragging my sales to the colors. More, I'm going to visit this label and I'm going to double click this text and I'm decreasing its size to 8. Apply. OK.
So that's how you can use a bubble chart in Tableau to analyze your sales data. It's a fantastic tool to help you to make smart business decisions. If you found this episode helpful, make sure to hit the like and subscribe for more easy episodes. If you have any question, drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next episode.